Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy phone is not detecting or scanning the QR code. So the most common reason why this happens, if you are in the video tab of the camera app, so simply switch to the photo tab and your camera app should detect the QR code. However, if it still doesn't scan or detect the QR code, simply tap on these four dots here. Now tap this gear icon here and then make sure that the scan QR codes option is selected. Now go back to the camera app and it should now scan the QR code as you can see. However, if you still experience problems, long press on the camera app, tap this info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option. Now tap the clear data option and hit delete to confirm. Once you have done this, simply open the camera app and it should now scan QR codes as expected. If you still experience problems, the last thing you can try is open the quick settings panel and look for the scan QR code toggle. If you can't find it, simply tap on this pencil icon here and then add this shortcut here. Once you have added it, simply tap on the shortcut and your Samsung phone should now scan QR codes like this. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.